Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down the Lifespan Tr1200i folding treadmill, a popular choice for home workouts in 2025. If you're tired of gym crowds or just want a convenient way to stay fit, this machine might be your next big purchase. Let's dive right in and explore its pros and cons so you can decide if it's worth the investment. First off, one of the biggest pros of the Lifespan Tr1200i is its space-saving design. It folds up easily for storage, making it perfect for apartments or smaller homes. You'll appreciate the sturdy build too. It's got a solid frame that can handle up to 300 pounds, and the deck is cushioned to reduce joint impact during runs. Speed-wise, it offers a range from 0.5 to 12 miles per hour, with incline options up to 12%, giving you plenty of variety for your workouts. Plus, it integrates with popular fitness apps, so you can track your progress and stay motivated. On the flip side, let's talk about the cons. The price tag is a bit steep at around $1,200, which might not suit budget shoppers. It's also on the noisier side compared to some premium models, so if you live in a shared space, that could be a downside. The display is basic, nothing fancy like a touchscreen, and assembly can take some time, even with the instructions. Additionally, taller users over 6 feet might find the running surface a tad short for comfort. Overall, the Lifespan Tr1200i is a reliable treadmill for beginners to intermediate users looking for durability and ease of use. If you're serious about home fitness and don't mind the cost, it's a great pick. But if you're on a tight budget, you might want to check out alternatives. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more gear reviews. What's your go-to home workout equipment? Let me know in the comments below.